So here's how to subscript and superscript in Microsoft Excel. It's quite simple, so without wasting any more time, let's get started. First of all, as you can see, for the superscript we got this, and for the subscript it looked like this. But if we want to do that into the Excel, how you can do that? It's quite simple, guys. First of all, you need to select the cell like this and simply double tap on your mouse to select the cell, and now select the text like this. Then right after that you need to go to the home tab first, and then simply go with this little icon which will brings up to the font settings. Now into the font settings, under the effects section, you will probably see superscript and subscript. So first we will go with the superscript and simply go with OK. So that's how you can do the superscript, and again double click on your mouse to select the cell and then select the text and simply go with again font text, and there is the subscript. So select that and simply go with OK. So that's how you can simply apply subscript and superscript in Microsoft Excel. So hope this video helps you out. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you pretty next time.